Hello everyone and welcome. If you have qualified NEET UG this year and want to take admission to MBBS, BDS or BSc Nursing through MCC Counselling, this video is for you. In this video, we will show you the complete registration process on the official MCC portal, right from the beginning to the final step. You will learn how to open the official website, complete the registration, log into your account, fill in your personal and academic details, upload the required documents, pay the counseling fee, fill in your college choices, and finally, lock those choices. Every step will be explained through a live on-screen demonstration. After watching this video till the end, you should be able to complete your MCC counseling form on your own without depending on anyone else. Before opening the official MCC counseling website, please keep the following important points in mind. While filling out the counseling form, use the same mobile number and email address that you used during your NEET exam registration. Always fill out your MCC counseling form yourself. Do not depend on agents, third parties, or cyber cafes. This will help keep your personal information secure and reduce the chances of errors. Enter every detail carefully and exactly as mentioned in your original documents. Even a small mistake may create problems during document verification or admission. Always open only the official MCC website. Avoid clicking on advertisements, sponsored links, or links leading to any other website. This will protect you from fake or fraudulent websites. First, open any web browser on your mobile phone, laptop, or computer. Now type the following address in the address bar: mcc.nic.in. Then press enter. The MCC homepage will now appear on your screen. At the top of the page, you will see different counseling categories. Since we are applying for admission to MBBS, BDS, and BSc nursing courses through NEET UG, click on the UG Medical option. After clicking on UG Medical, the UG Medical Counseling dashboard will open. The entire counseling process begins from this dashboard. Now click on the New Registration 2026 option displayed on the screen. A new page will now open. Click on the orange-colored New Candidate Registration button. Some important instructions will appear on the screen. Read all the instructions carefully before proceeding. After reading them, scroll down and click on the Proceed to Application button. The consent form will now appear on your screen. Basic information such as your name, NEET application number, and date of birth may already be displayed. Check all the details carefully. Once you have confirmed that the information is correct, click on Save and Continue. Create a high security password. This is one of the most important parts of the registration process. You will now be required to create a high security password. Your password should include at least one capital letter, at least one small letter, at least one number, at least one special character. Keep this password safe because you will need it later for logging in and locking your choices. Now enter the security PIN shown on the screen and click on Submit. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. You will now be asked to complete the remaining candidate details. These may include category, nationality, religion, bank account details, address, other personal information. Fill in every detail carefully. The information entered here may later be matched with your original documents during the verification process. After completing all the fields, click on Save and Continue. Your candidate dashboard will now open. You will see different sections on the dashboard such as Application Form, Qualification Details, Apply For, Contact Details, Bank Details, Preview, Fee Payment. We will begin with the Application Form section. Click on Application Form. Some information in the application form may already be filled in. Please note that certain details such as gender and nationality may not be editable. Your registration fee may depend on your nationality, category, and the type of counseling you choose. Carefully select whether you belong to the NRI or non-NRI category. Next, select your category correctly, such as General, OBC, SC, ST, PWBD if applicable. PWBD refers to candidates with benchmark disabilities. If you want to apply for AFMC, which stands for Armed Forces Medical College, select the relevant option. If either of your parents has retired from the armed forces, provide the correct information in the appropriate section. You will also be required to enter your bank account details for any eligible refund. Enter the account holder's name, bank name, account number, IFSC code, and other required details carefully. Now open the qualification details section. Here, you will be required to enter information related to your Class 12 examination. This may include name of the board, state, school name, year of passing, roll number, subject-wise marks, total marks, percentage or result status. Enter all the details exactly as mentioned on your Class 12 mark sheet. If you studied classes 11 and 12 in Delhi, select the relevant option correctly wherever asked. After entering all the information, save the details and continue. Now open the Apply For section. In this section, you will select the counseling categories in which you want to participate. Choose the available options according to your eligibility and admission preferences. If you are applying for deemed universities, check their tuition fee, hostel fee, and other charges carefully before selecting them. Therefore, understand the complete fee structure before adding such institutions to your preferences. Now open the Contact Details section. Enter your complete correspondence address and permanent address. Make sure that your mobile number and email address are correct and active. All important OTPs, counseling updates, alerts, and other information may be sent to these contact details. Check the spelling of your address, city, district, state, and PIN code before saving the information. You will now be asked to upload a document for bank account verification. Depending on the options available on the portal, you may upload any one of the following: a cancelled check, the front page of your bank passbook, an online bank statement containing complete bank details. The document should clearly show account holder's name, bank account number, bank name, branch details, IFSC code. Any applicable refund will normally be processed to the bank account entered in this section. Therefore, make sure that the uploaded document and the bank details entered in the form match each other. Now open the Preview section. Your complete application form will appear on the screen. Read every detail carefully. Check the following information once again: name, date of birth, category, nationality, contact details, address, academic details, bank details, counseling categories selected, uploaded documents. If you find any mistake, go back to the relevant section and correct it before making the final submission or payment. You will now be required to pay the counseling registration fee. The fee amount will depend on your category and the type of counseling for which you have applied. Check the fee details displayed on the portal. Select the available online payment mode. You may be able to pay through options such as other available payment gateways. Complete the payment securely. After a successful payment, download the payment receipt. Keep a digital copy and a printed copy of the receipt for future reference. Also check your candidate dashboard to confirm that the payment status has been updated successfully. Open the choice filling section from your candidate dashboard. You may be asked to enter your high security password. Complete the OTP verification if required. After successful verification, the list of available medical colleges, dental colleges, and nursing institutions will appear on the screen. You can search or filter the institutions according to course, state, college name, institute type, counseling category, other available filters. Start selecting colleges according to your preference. The colleges selected by you will normally appear on the right-hand side of the screen or under the Selected Choices section. Add as many genuine preferences as possible. Do not select a college only because it appears popular. Check the college fee, location, course, bond conditions, service obligations, hostel facilities, and other important factors before adding it to your list. Arrange your choices strictly according to your actual preference. The college you want the most should be placed at the top. Click on Save and proceed. Watch our next video. Thank you.